everybody and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing my Walgreens haul. I don't know what was going on, but I did do a digital video for you guys with other deals. I don't know what was going on, but I was scanning the app and then none of the digitals were popping up. Like sometimes they did, sometimes they didn't, but they did, majority did come off at the register. I did have a couple that did not come off. So I will be messaging Walgreens to give me points for those, or they'll do something. Most likely they give you points, but I did factor the coupons coming off and them giving me points for it, because I'll message them right when I get home. So let me share with you guys what I got. I just have my little big giant IKEA bag to share, to put everything in here. So I ended up getting the Kellogg's cereal. This was $1.49 or $1.99. You guys want to use a 50-cent off digital coupon for this, you guys would just get this for $1.49, and you can submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards and you get points. There was an Ibotta deal, but it ended last night. And if you guys haven't, I've told this to everybody who can get a chance, do the free book deal. It does end soon. It ends on September 30th. So you guys have about a month left if you haven't done this, but definitely go ahead and do it. It's free. All you do is you submit your receipt. They'll approve it. You get the books and you get them about 2 to 3 weeks. So it is free. If you don't want to keep the books for yourself, you can also have the option to donate it to a local area. So that's kind of cool. I love it. I've done this, I think this is the third year I've done this. I know I've done it last year and this year for sure, but I can't remember if I've done it the year before. So, $1.49 plus a free book. That is a great deal. I ended up getting the L'Oreal Elvive. Now, my digital did not come off for this. I scanned it and it popped up, but it didn't come off. No idea what was going on. So, these were... I never go in order. I never go in order how I write this stuff down. Really? Okay, so these were 2 for $8. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys could have gotten them in your inserts also, but I only got the digital. Plus there's a $2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you can scan. You get these for $2 or just $1 a piece. This store doesn't have the Dream Links one. I've showed you guys that in my empties video. I love that stuff, but they don't have it at this location. So that's fine with me, but for each for $2 for $1 a piece, pretty good deal. Ended up getting the Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. I get this mousse. This is what I'm currently wearing in my hair. So these were 2 for $7. I actually had a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I thought the ad showed 3 off of 2, but I actually had a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $3 for this, so you get these for $1.50. It's up to you. I got these a little bit cheaper because I do get the employee discount, so it's up to you if you guys want to do that deal. I did the Colgate toothpaste deal. Again, my digital did not come off for this one. So, yeah, I don't know what was going on. But the Colgate toothpaste was $2.99. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $2.98. But then you get 3,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be absolutely free. There is a different Colgate deal that you guys can do. I forgot what I was going to say, but it's a little bit more money out of pocket. I also did the Crest deal, and my Crest coupon did not come off either. I don't know what was going on here, but Crest was $3. You guys can mix and match. There is currently a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys can use. You guys would end up paying $4 for the 3 of these, but then you get a $4 register reward, making them absolutely free. So if you guys need to stock up on that stuff, go for it. I feel like we've been getting that stuff like crazy lately. Now here's a awesome deal that you guys want to do. I was gonna get the plates, but then I thought this is an even better deal. I'm gonna give these to my friend because she likes the to-go cups. So these Dixie cups, they originally were $2.99, but they jacked up the price to $3.99. So these are $3.99. They are currently buy one, get one free. There's also a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. So you would pay $2.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these just 99 cents. That's 50 cents a pack. That is a great deal. So make sure you guys scan the items, you know, if you're gonna do the Ibotta deal, because I was gonna get the other cups and it didn't work for that one. It only worked for these ones. So in case you guys need that. I ended up doing, my store has been sold out of the Scott's toilet paper for a while because I did want to do that deal, but you know what, that's fine. The Kleenex and the Scott's toilet paper and the Scott's paper towels, I'm not even going to take it out of the bag. The Scott's paper towels, those are all $5. There's currently a $1 digital coupon that you guys can use, plus there is a $1.25 coupon from the Walgreens booklet. You guys would get these for $2.75. Great deal, especially if you guys need stuff for school, if your schools need this stuff. And you guys can get points when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I haven't submitted my receipt, but in case you guys need to go ahead and do that, go for it. So let me just get these little small items out of my bag so I can put these down. I really miss my old bags, but I use these bags, you know, to pack stuff in, and I just dropped 2 things of gum. That's awesome. It's awesome. Let's see if I can reach it. So the next deal I did is the Revlon and Almay deal. Now you guys can mix and match. Why is this, my hand's gonna get stuck. You can mix and match however you guys want. So I ended up getting the Almay eyebrows. These were $7.99, and I got the Revlon eyeshadow, again $7.99. These are currently buy one, get one 50% off. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week. You guys would get this for $5.98, but then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. So last week was a better deal, but in case you guys, you know, want to stock up on some makeup, definitely. Go ahead and do that. And then the last deal we did is the Trident gum. I love smelling gum. It smells delicious. So the Trident gum was 2 for $2. There's currently a 50% off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $1.50. That's 75 cents a piece. I haven't stocked up on gum. Like in the past, I had tons and tons of gum. Like I ended up giving gum away for Halloween, but the past 2 years I haven't, which is totally fine. So I can't go wrong with some gum. I'm gonna put those in my purse when I get a second. So my total came to $15.43. Now I did factor the digitals that did not come off because they will give me points for that. So that's kind of what my total was. Otherwise it was like 20 something is what it was. I did receive 3,000 points for the Colgate deal. I did get $8 back of register rewards, the 2 $4, one for the Crest and one for the Revlon Almay. I did get $2 back with Ibotta. I think my phone just went off to let me know I got approved for that. So technically my grand total was $2.43. I got 18 items at just 13 cents a piece. I think that was a pretty good deal. I don't know what it is. The app was acting weird. The you know, the register, everything went smooth, but the digitals just did not, or the digitals just did not work. Sometimes they work perfectly, sometimes they don't. It's a hit or miss, but whatever. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week for hopefully another awesome Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.